In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a PUBG subscription. Now, whether you're new to the game or just looking to enhance your gaming experience, purchasing a subscription can really add value to your gameplay. It's a pretty straightforward process, but let's break it down step by step to make sure everything goes smoothly for you. To get started, the first thing you need to do is visit the website tobuy.com. This is where you'll be able to handle your purchasing needs for PUBG. Once you're on the site, you'll notice there are various options available. You can purchase UC, which is the in-game currency, or shop for RP, known as the Royal Pass. Both of these can help you unlock and enjoy exclusive content in PUBG. After you've decided what you like to purchase, the next step is to enter your player ID. Your player ID ensures that the items or currency you buy will be correctly credited to your PUBG account. Make sure you enter it carefully to avoid any errors. Double-checking this detail can save you a lot of headaches later, as the process hinges on this being accurate. Following this, you'll need to select the payment channels. tobuy.com usually offers a variety of payment options to make the transaction as convenient as possible for you. Depending on your location and preference, you might find options like credit or debit cards, online banking, or even mobile payment solutions. Choose the one that suits you best and follow the instructions to complete your transaction. Make sure your payment information is correct and ready to go before you proceed to ensure a quick and seamless process. As a tip, if things don't seem to be processing correctly, ensure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes connectivity issues can cause delays or errors in transactions. Once the payment is confirmed, your UC or RP should be credited to your account promptly. You might want to log into your PUBG account right afterward to verify that everything has been correctly added. Keep an eye out for any confirmation messages or emails you might receive as well, as they serve as proof of purchase. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy your new PUBG subscription benefits. Every purchase adds a little extra excitement and possibility to your gaming sessions. So get in there and make the most out of your newly acquired in-game assets. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments. Happy gaming, and enjoy your PUBG experience to the fullest.